Hello, beautiful soul. My name is Faith Hunter, and welcome to this manifestation meditation. Now, I want you to make sure that you are comfortable. So, know that you can sit on the floor, you can sit on the sofa, you can sit in a chair, or you can even rest on your back. The key here is to get comfortable. When your physical body is at ease, then that means your mind and your heart has the opportunity to open as well as receive. So once you find that ideal spot for yourself, move around where you need to. You need to roll the shoulders, stretch, do whatever your body desires. And then I'm going to invite you to close your eyes. If closing your eyes feels uncomfortable, just simply cast them down lightly. And I want you to feel your hips grounding into the earth. You start to deepen your breath, so the inhalation and exhalation comes in slowly and mindfully with ease. With each exhalation, there's a softness that flows across your chest and shoulders. As the inhalation comes in, you feel a little more grounded and rooted as your spine feels more anchored to the floor. And again, the breath is just traveling in slowly and gently. No extra effort or doing. Just allowing yourself to be. Relax the tongue and the mouth. Soften the jaw muscles. And bring all of the awareness to the center of your chest. Your focus and your attention. Draw your internal gaze right between your heart. Keep your awareness there as you breathe in and out lightly. As the breath continues to travel in and out, I want you to imagine this golden light. This golden light is starting to move into the center of your chest. And as that light begins to penetrate your heart, it extends its radiance outward. It radiates through your arms, down into your spine, your hips, your legs, your toes, your fingertips, and the crown of your head. That golden light completely envelops you with its warmth and with its abundance. That light is a divine blessing from the universe. Allow yourself to be connected to its essence, its gift to you. And the light is filled with prosperity, overflowing. Receive the light, receive the care, the love, the warmth, the nurturing, healing of abundance. of magnificence that is innately who you are. And as you feel that light continuing to move through you and around you, begin to repeat these affirmations to yourself. Or even if you'd like, you can whisper them sweetly. I am open to receiving abundance in all forms. I am open to receiving abundance in all forms. I am open to receiving abundance in all forms. I trust the universe to manifest all my dreams and desires. I trust the universe to manifest all of my dreams and desires. I trust the universe to manifest all of my dreams and desires. My body, mind, and soul are aligned with prosperity. My body, mind, and soul are aligned with prosperity. My body, mind, and soul are aligned with prosperity. Allow yourself to feel those affirmations move through you, flow through you. And as you do, begin to visualize all of your dreams, your goals, and personal desires. Not only just seeing them in your mind, feel them in your heart. Feel them rush through you, move through you, circle around you just like that light. begin to bring your internal awareness right between your brow at your first eye. As you feel that light that was coming through your heart, now feel it start to shine from your first eye. For the energy, the vibrancy, the abundance, the prosperity that the universe flowed into you, you extended out to make it so, to seal in your intention, your affirmations, your desires, and your goals. For you are a co-creator with the universe. Begin to deepen your breath. Taking any gentle movement that you need in your body, wiggling, blinking your eyes, moving your shoulders, whatever organic movement feels right for you. And then place both hands over the center of your chest. Take a deep breath in. Exhale out of the mouth. And I send you all the love and abundance as you move into the rest of your day. Take care. Ciao.